this is the car park. It's actually just a quarry. The roads to come in were terrible. Time to walk. There's water running down there. I set off at about 9:40. Falls shouldn't be overly far away. Oh good, we can park in 500 metres. This looks like the car park. Now I just need to find the main track. Down that path. This looks like I'm going the right way. So it looks like it's a fair way still. Trees here, and specifically the King Billy pine, can be quite old. They estimate up to 1,000 years old, and some of the trees are absolutely massive. They're also really good for carvings, so they used to selectively harvest the trees. So you can see in parts of the forest where there's tram tracks from where they brought through the harvested timbers. Absolutely beautiful. Duck! It would be very easy to get lost in a forest like this without all the signposting, little pink ribbons on trees and arrows on trees pointing which way to go. And even as it is, it still takes a bit of concentration to figure out which way you're going next. And most of the time you can barely tell it's a path at all. For these little pink markers. It's more of the original tramway. I think the path comes up to the right, goes along there. It actually comes through here. Track's just going through a little stream here. And we're back on the hunt for the little pink markers. This one right up there. Just following the path here, realised that the path actually goes that way. For a fairly long way. It's currently 11:10 and I still haven't reached the falls, but I should be almost there because I just hit a link track which was shown on the map at the start to be almost all the way to the falls. So it is now 12:05. It's probably going to be another hour and a half, 2 hours until I get back to the car park. I probably didn't bring enough water and food with me. Probably should have brought lunch to have here. Oh well, I'll survive. It's now 12:45 and I just stopped and finished off my water. So now I don't have any more water until I get back to the car, which is probably another hour, which is going to suck. Boy, am I glad to see you. Getting there, getting closer. Time is now 1:05. And I'm still walking through the forest trying to get back to the car park. Luckily for me, I'm almost back at the start of the walk. I'm still out of water. I'm very hungry. It's currently 1:15 and I haven't had lunch yet. I've been using a lot of energy walking today. cool are those birds? They're amazing. And so loud. So it was essentially a short break to film birds. And now I go back to the start of this track. $120. I'm now back at the sign. Good walk. Beautiful falls. To be fair, the sign did say 4 hours return. Thought it might have been 2 hours return, not 2 hours one way. And then you add in the extra 10 minutes to actually get to the car, which makes a fair difference. Almost 4 hours of walking to the minute. Really good walk, highly recommend it. Just probably bring a full water bottle and a more substantial snacks or food. So the car broke down by cracking the oil sump on a pothole back down that way. So that's a leak in the oil sump. I took the bike up the hill, which is also gravel, to go chat to the insurance company where there's signal. We've called the tow truck company and insurance and such, and they're taking the car to Devonport soon. Until then, I'm going to finally have lunch, grabbing the esky out of the car and getting ready to eat some food.